add to Carter's sentiment there in that
Yeah.
you have helped a lot of us. In fact, I would say probably 100% of us find a new goal or a new dream to chase after. And we're doing it successfully every day that we follow you and follow the rules. But it gives us so much hope that we know a lot of members in here and a lot of people in this group found you when they were most in need. And now we have an opportunity to change so many lives, including our own. Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. And you've been here, Mitch, you've helped out tremendously. Thank you so much every day. Can never thank you guys enough. You guys are awesome. Again, I would be nothing without the help of all of you. I take pride. I really do. I take pride in surrounding myself with really good people. I was good about that, with like employees and stuff too, finding really good people, because in my mind, I can train anyone to do anything, but I need to have the core, human part of a person to be able to work with, because the rest doesn't make any sense, right? So in my field, I don't care if you're the greatest tech in the world. If you don't get along with people, can I sell you to a company to say, hey, this guy's going to sit with you all day? Right? It doesn't matter how good you are. So you have to have the people skills but all the things. So I was really good at developing really strong teams that, a band of 3 or 4 could do the job of 20 or 30. And I think I have the largest group of good people that I think you could put anywhere. And that's what